Okay, I'm with a 2011 Hyundai Sonata, and the caliper has broken. So what I gotta do is replace the caliper and this brake line. I've already sprayed some rust treatment on the brake line to get it to turn loose. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove this bolt here. Take the 12mm socket. Okay, also remove this wire, ABS sensor wire from right here. Get this out the way. This piston, this caliper is seized in this position, so I'm going to take these two bolts off for the guide bolts. This takes a 14mm socket. Okay, I got the caliper off. Came right off, but the piston here was all the way out, and these lined up. So I'm going to take the bracket off next. Takes this one and this one. Takes 17mm socket to remove those. This is the new caliper and bracket. I'm going to remove the bracket, install the bracket first. Install the brake hardware. And the brake pads. Now I'm going to grease the caliper guide bolts and install the caliper. Okay, now I'm going to be removing the brake hose. This here. I'm going to loosen it here first. Take this off. Then I'm going to get to the where it connects to the steel line. Loosen that, and then take off this clip to remove the brake hose. Okay, with this removed, the brake hose, I'm gonna hand tighten this all the way on, the new brake hose, and get it set up, and then make my other connections. My connection on the caliper with that side, and then bolt it in with that hole there that goes there on the strut. Okay, I got the brake hose here installed. Next is to bleed the brake system. I have a tool that allows me to bleed the system by one person, so that's really going to help out here. Okay, I got the brakes bled, and calipers is set by pumping the brake pedal. So what's left is to put the wheel on and test the car.